Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on data cleaning with iBARE. We'll be exploring how to transform messy data into actionable insights, an essential step for any successful analytics project. The slide you see here introduces our topic and highlights the key focus, turning chaos into clarity. Throughout this session, we'll cover the core features of iBARE, best practices in data cleaning, and practical tips to make your data management more efficient. I look forward to sharing insights and engaging with you all. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at some of the key challenges we face with data. When managing large volumes of information, we often encounter issues like data quality, consistency, and integration. These challenges can hinder our ability to make accurate, timely decisions. Moving on, one of the solutions we've developed is the iBARE features. These are designed to address specific data issues, helping us streamline processes and improve reliability. They play a crucial role in ensuring our data is more accurate and easier to work with. Finally, we'll walk through the implementation process. This is where all the planning, testing, and execution come together. A clear, structured approach ensures we can adopt these features smoothly, minimize disruptions, and maximize the benefits for our overall data management strategy. Connecting all these points, the goal is to turn data challenges into opportunities for smarter decision-making and more efficient operations. Let's talk about some of the key data challenges we face today. As organizations, we're often overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data generated every day. This makes it difficult to collect, store, and manage data efficiently. Another major challenge is data quality, ensuring that the data we rely on is accurate, complete, and reliable. Poor quality data can lead to faulty insights and bad decision-making. Additionally, data silos are a common issue, where different departments store data separately, making it hard to get a unified view. This fragmentation hampers our ability to analyze data holistically. These challenges are central to our overall goal of leveraging data effectively, because addressing them is crucial for unlocking the true value of our information. Let's talk about some common issues with data quality that can really impact our analysis. First, we often encounter inaccurate or duplicated data. This happens when the same information is entered multiple times, which not only wastes storage space, but also skews our results. Next, data entry errors are quite frequent. Typos, incorrect formats, or missing fields can seriously undermine the reliability of our data. Then there's inconsistent formatting, like varying date formats, different naming conventions, or units of measurement. These inconsistencies create confusion and make analysis more difficult. All of these issues, whether it's duplication, errors, or formatting inconsistencies, can have a significant business impact. Poor data quality leads to flawed insights, which in turn can cause us to waste resources or make decisions that aren't really based on accurate information. So, maintaining high-quality data is essential for making sound, effective business choices. When working with data from multiple sources, we often encounter inconsistent structures. This means different datasets might have various formats, which can make analysis quite challenging. For example, you might find that similar information is stored in different file types or structures, making it harder to combine and compare data effectively. Another common issue is irregular field naming. Sometimes, the same type of data has different column headers or labels across datasets, which complicates the process of mapping and integrating data accurately. We also face problems with mixed data types. The same piece of information might be stored as text, numbers, or dates, and this inconsistency prevents us from performing proper calculations or comparisons without extra cleaning. Lastly, hierarchical inconsistencies can throw a wrench in the works. Different datasets might organize their information in varying ways, making it difficult to merge data or establish relationships between datasets. All of these structural issues highlight how important it is to standardize and clean data early on, especially when trying to draw meaningful insights from diverse sources. Manual cleaning inefficiency is a significant challenge we face. It's often a time-consuming process, meaning that valuable hours spent on cleaning data could instead be used for analysis and strategic decision-making. This not only slows us down, but also diverts focus from more impactful tasks. Additionally, manual data cleaning is error-prone. Human processing can introduce inconsistencies and mistakes, especially when dealing with large datasets. These errors can compromise the quality of our insights and decision-making. It's also resource-intensive. It requires dedicated staff and training, which increases operational costs for data management tasks. This can be a drain on resources that could be allocated elsewhere. And as our data volume grows, manual methods become less practical. They create bottlenecks that limit scalability and slow down our ability to process data efficiently. This is a clear indication that we need more automated, scalable solutions to keep up with the increasing demands. When decision-making is based on poor data, it can lead to serious issues. Unreliable data sources often result in messy data, which then causes flawed analysis. And when that happens, executives might be making choices based on incorrect information, which can have ripple effects throughout the organization. Another key point is missed opportunities. Without clean, accurate data, businesses struggle to see the trends and patterns that could give them a competitive edge. These insights could be the difference between staying ahead or falling behind. Then there's the issue of wasted resources. Teams spend a lot of time manually cleaning up data, time that could be better spent on strategic analysis and implementing improvements. It's a drain on productivity and innovation. Lastly, poor data quality erodes confidence. When stakeholders see inconsistent results or conflicting reports, they start to lose trust in the entire analytics process. This lack of trust can undermine decision-making at every level. All of these factors tie back to the overall theme: how critical good data is for making solid, informed decisions. Poor data doesn't just cause small hiccups, it can fundamentally undermine strategic success. Now, let's talk about some of the common difficulties we face when integrating analytics into our systems. One major challenge is poor data quality. When the data is messy or inconsistent, it becomes really hard to implement effective analytics. This often leads to unreliable insights, which can waste valuable resources because you're making decisions based on flawed information. Another issue is format inconsistencies. Different data sources often come in various formats, which creates barriers for analytics tools. Before we can analyze the data meaningfully, we need to standardize these formats. Otherwise, the tools can't interpret the information correctly. There's also the manual preparation burden. Cleaning and preparing data manually can be incredibly time-consuming. This not only reduces the time we have for actual analysis, but can also delay critical business decisions. Finally, when it comes to advanced analytics and AI tools, data structure matters a lot. Messy or unstructured datasets limit the potential of AI applications because these tools rely on structured, clean data to generate accurate insights. All of these points highlight the importance of good data management practices as a foundation for successful analytics integration across the organization. Now, let's take a closer look at the iBARE features. First, what makes iBARE stand out is its user-friendly interface, designed to make complex tasks easier and more accessible. This platform emphasizes seamless integration, allowing users to connect various tools and data sources effortlessly. Another key point is its scalability. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, iBARE adapts to your needs, supporting growth without sacrificing performance. Security is also a major focus, with robust measures in place to protect your data at every step. Overall, these features come together to support our goal of creating smarter, more efficient workflows that drive real results. This aligns perfectly with our broader theme of leveraging innovative technology to stay ahead in our industry. Let's take a closer look at automatic error detection. What iBARE does is smart error identification. It's designed to automatically spot errors in both numeric and textual data across your entire business datasets. This means you don't have to sift through data manually. The system does it for you, saving time and reducing mistakes. Another key aspect is pattern recognition. The system checks your data against known patterns and rules, which helps it flag any inconsistencies or outliers that might indicate errors or anomalies. It's like having an extra set of eyes that knows what normal looks like and can quickly spot deviations. Then there's format standardization. iBARE automatically corrects formats for dates, currencies, and text cases. This ensures your data remains consistent, which is crucial for accurate analysis and reporting. Finally, the platform runs comprehensive validation checks. It looks for missing fields or logical inconsistencies, helping you catch issues before they impact your decision-making. All these features together reinforce the overall goal of our solution: to ensure your data is accurate, consistent, and reliable so that your insights are trustworthy. Let's talk about format standardization. This means we need to standardize dates and currencies across all datasets. By converting inconsistent formats into a uniform standard, we can ensure more accurate analysis and reporting. It really helps us compare data reliably. Next is text case normalization. Ensuring consistent capitalization in text fields is crucial because it eliminates duplicates and makes searching much more efficient. Think of it as tidying up our data so everything matches and is easy to find. Then we have field structure alignment. This involves harmonizing data fields across multiple sources, creating cohesive and integrated datasets. When everything lines up properly, our analysis becomes much smoother and more reliable. Finally, pattern recognition plays a key role. Using intelligent algorithms, we can automatically identify and correct formatting anomalies. This not only saves time, but also enhances the overall quality of our data. Altogether, these steps are essential for transforming raw, messy data into a clean, consistent resource that supports better decision-making, which ties back to our overall goal of improving data accuracy and usability. Now, let's talk about data validation, which is a crucial step in ensuring our data quality. First, we have automated validation checks, where iBARE plays a key role. It tests the data against known patterns and rules to make sure everything is accurate and consistent. This helps us catch errors early and maintain reliable data. Next, there's error identification. The system actively detects issues in both numeric and textual data, flagging any inconsistencies that need correction. This way, we can address problems before they impact our analysis or decision-making. Then we have format standardization. iBARE automatically standardizes important elements like dates, currencies, and text cases. Consistent formatting is essential for accurate analysis and reporting across different datasets. Finally, data integrity is maintained throughout this process. The system keeps track of data lineage and traceability, even as it performs these validation operations. This ensures we always know where our data comes from and how it's been processed, which is vital for trust and compliance. Overall, these validation features are fundamental to ensuring that our data remains accurate, consistent, and reliable as we move forward in our project. Let's take a closer look at duplicate removal, which is a crucial step in ensuring data quality. Our automatic detection system uses advanced pattern recognition algorithms to identify duplicate entries across multiple datasets. This means it can efficiently scan and find overlaps, saving us from manual review. Next, we have smart matching. This feature is particularly powerful because it can find records that are similar even if there are slight variations in spelling, formatting, or the order of entries. It helps us catch duplicates that might not be exact matches, but are essentially the same record. Then there's batch processing. This allows us to handle large volumes of data quickly and efficiently. Instead of reviewing records one by one, the system processes everything in bulk, which significantly saves time and resources. Finally, we have preservation options. This feature ensures that original records are preserved while duplicates are flagged for review. It gives us the opportunity to verify before making any permanent deletions, maintaining data integrity and control. Overall, these tools and features work together to streamline data cleaning, improve accuracy, and support better decision-making across our datasets. Let's take a closer look at tagging and categorization. First, with automated data tagging, iBARE intelligently applies relevant tags to data elements. This not only saves us time, but also ensures that the categorization remains consistent across all datasets. It's a real-time saver and helps maintain data integrity. Next, smart categorization automatically groups related information together. This creates logical structures that make data easier to organize and, importantly, more accessible for users who need to find specific information quickly. Moving on, custom taxonomy creation allows us to build personalized classification systems tailored specifically to our business needs and reporting requirements. This flexibility means our data organization aligns perfectly with our unique workflows. Finally, metadata management helps us track and maintain essential information about our data. By doing so, we improve searchability and gain better contextual understanding, which ultimately enhances our data's value across the organization. All these features work together to make data management smarter, more efficient, and more aligned with our overall goals. Let's take a closer look at the dataset merging capabilities. First, iBARE allows you to combine multiple sources seamlessly. This means you can integrate data from various platforms into a single, unified dataset, making it much easier to perform comprehensive analysis. Next, the Smart Field Mapping feature is a real-time saver. It automatically identifies matching fields across datasets and aligns them, which significantly reduces the manual effort involved in configuration. This not only speeds up the process, but also minimizes errors. Then there's conflict resolution. When dealing with duplicate entries or conflicting information, iBARE intelligently handles these issues using customizable rules and priorities. This ensures your data remains clean and reliable. Finally, data lineage tracking is crucial for transparency. It maintains information about the data sources and the transformations applied, giving you complete traceability and supporting audit requirements. These capabilities really empower users to merge and manage their data efficiently, supporting the overarching goal of delivering accurate, comprehensive insights. Let's take a closer look at the implementation process. First, this stage is all about turning our plans into action. We start by clearly defining each step, ensuring everyone involved understands their roles and responsibilities. Then, we move into execution, where coordination and communication are key to keep everything on track. It's also important to monitor progress continuously. That way, we can identify any issues early and make adjustments as needed. This process is crucial because it transforms our strategic ideas into tangible results, ultimately driving the success of the overall project. Remember, a well-structured implementation process not only helps us stay organized, but also ensures we meet our goals efficiently and effectively. It connects directly to our bigger vision of achieving sustainable, impactful outcomes. Let's talk about regular dataset maintenance, which is crucial for keeping our data reliable and useful. First, it's important to clean data regularly. Scheduling routine cleaning helps us prevent data from degrading over time and ensures we maintain high-quality standards. Think of it as regular health checkups for our data. Next, we need to define format rules. Establishing consistent data format guidelines is key to ensuring that all datasets follow the same structure and are easy to interpret. This consistency makes downstream analysis much smoother and reduces errors. Another vital step is reviewing AI results. Automated cleaning tools are powerful, but they're not infallible. Verifying these outcomes before finalizing changes helps confirm that the AI is making accurate adjustments, so we don't introduce new errors. Finally, creating backups is essential. Always save the original datasets before any cleaning operations. This way, if something goes wrong, or if we need to revert to the original data, we have a safe copy to fall back on. All of these steps, regular cleaning, setting format standards, reviewing AI outputs, and backing up, are interconnected. They help us maintain data integrity, which is the foundation for reliable insights and effective decision-making throughout our project. All right, let's talk about defining acceptable formats. Setting clear data standards is essential, so we need to establish consistent rules for dates, numbers, text, and any special fields across all our systems. This helps ensure everyone is on the same page and reduces errors. Documenting these format requirements is also crucial. We should create accessible guidelines that include examples of both correct and incorrect data formats, so the team has a handy reference. Next, implementing validation rules is a key step. By configuring automated checks, we can catch and prevent improperly formatted data at the point of entry, saving time and maintaining quality. Finally, regular format audits are necessary. Scheduling periodic reviews allows us to verify that our data formats continue to align with our standards over time, ensuring ongoing consistency and data integrity. All of these steps work together to make data management more reliable and efficient, supporting our overall goal of high-quality, trustworthy data. Let's talk about human-AI collaboration. While AI automation can handle a lot of the heavy lifting in data cleaning, it's important to remember that human oversight is key to achieving the best results. By combining automated processes with human review, we can ensure that the data remains accurate and of high quality. Next, defining data rules is crucial. Establishing clear standards for acceptable formats before we implement AI cleaning solutions helps prevent errors and keeps everything consistent. Clear rules set the foundation for effective automation. After the AI has done its job, it's important to review the results regularly. Checking the AA cleaned data allows us to catch any inaccuracies early and make adjustments as needed. This ongoing review process helps maintain data integrity over time. Finally, always use data backups, especially before major cleaning operations. Creating backups acts as a safety net, preventing accidental data loss and giving us peace of mind as we make changes. All these steps, combining automation with oversight, setting clear rules, reviewing results, and backing up data, are essential for effective and safe data management. They connect directly to our overall goal of ensuring data quality and reliability in our projects. Let's look at this e-commerce scenario example to see how customer data organization really makes a difference. The first key point is consolidating records from multiple sources. This helps us create unified customer profiles, giving us a clearer, more complete picture of each customer. Next, we have the iBARE workflow, which is all about cleaning and standardizing this data. We remove duplicates, standardize addresses, and merge purchase histories to ensure the data is accurate and consistent. This step is critical because clean data leads to better insights. Speaking of results, the measurable outcomes here include achieving accurate customer insights. With this clarity, we can develop personalized marketing strategies that resonate more effectively and boost customer engagement. Finally, the implementation steps outline a practical approach. Importing data, configuring rules, running the cleaning processes, organizing the data structures, and preparing everything for analysis. All of these steps tie back to the overall theme, showing how effective data organization enables smarter marketing and stronger customer relationships. Now, let's get hands-on with a practical cleaning exercise. First, you'll import your messy dataset into the iBARE platform. This step is about bringing in unstructured data that needs organization. Once uploaded, the platform will automatically start cleaning and organizing the data for you. Next, you'll configure the cleaning rules. This involves setting parameters to identify duplicates, missing fields, and errors within your dataset. By customizing these rules, you ensure the cleaning process targets the specific issues present in your data. Then, you'll run the automated cleaning process. This step executes the cleaning rules and generates results. It's important to review these results carefully to verify accuracy and completeness, making sure nothing important was missed or incorrectly processed. Finally, you'll organize the clean data into logical tables or categories. This step helps improve accessibility, making it easier to analyze and use the data effectively moving forward. This exercise ties directly into the overall theme of transforming raw, unstructured data into a usable, structured format. All right, now let's talk about how to really prepare for analytics. The first step is structuring your data effectively. This means organizing it by fields, tables, and categories, which makes your data much easier to analyze and interpret. When data is well structured, you can spot trends and insights more quickly. Next, it's important to merge relevant datasets. Combining related information gives you a more complete picture of your business data, allowing for deeper insights that might be hidden when looking at fragmented pieces. Then, applying filters is a crucial step. Using labels and hierarchies helps you segment your data, so you can focus your analysis on the most relevant information without getting overwhelmed. And finally, maintaining data lineage is key. Tracking where your data comes from and how it has been transformed ensures transparency and accountability. It helps you trust your analysis and understand the context behind the numbers. All of these steps work together to set a solid foundation for meaningful, reliable analytics. Thanks everyone for being here today. I really appreciate your time and attention. I hope you found this presentation insightful and useful. Remember, the key takeaways are the importance of understanding the core concepts we discussed and how they can be applied in real-world situations. It's all about taking these ideas and making a positive impact. If you have any questions or want to discuss further, please feel free to reach out. Thanks again for your participation and engagement. I look forward to connecting with you all soon.